Hi, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be demonstrating how to crochet this lovely stitch. I used a variegated yarn, Bernat Handicrafter. These variegated yarns are less than the solid colors, just to point out. Like this was only 42.5 gram. And this one is 50 gram. So I need to get another ball to finish because this one turned out small. But as you can see, my dishcloth that I crochet for samplers, they are big. Like they're not small dishcloth. They're about, like this is like about 10 inches. So they're pretty big. So just want to show how it looks like. It's very texture rich. Both sides are same. I just love how the variegated yarn turned out. I love this pastel color. It is called the Candy. It's hard to see. The Candy Sprinkles. Yes, they are pretty good. Just love it, the texture when you wash your cloth. Okay, and here's the solid color. See how it looks like? It gives you that 3D look. And the two sides are versatile. So you can use both sides. These would be perfect for blankets, afghans, anything you want to make. So let's get started. Grab your desired yarn and your crochet hook, and let's get started to crochet this lovely stitch. For this tutorial I will be using this cotton Bernat yarn. It's Handicrafter, and I am going to be using the suggestion crochet hook 5mm to crochet this pattern. So let's get started. So you need to chain. First you need to chain. I have a knot. I always pull it from the inside, and I heard lots of people from around the world never heard of that. So when you pull it from the inside, it's easy to pull it. It just slides out easily instead of around, because you have this, the ball, the skin will keep on rolling, and no one likes that. So sometimes it's hard to pull it from the inside. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this knot, and I'm going to chain total of 41, and I'll be back to start the stitch. I have crochet chain total of 41. If you want to make a baby blanket, you can chain 3 times, like 3 plus 3 plus 3, as long as you want. For this 41, for my desire at a dishcloth, I like the 41 stitch. It just fits perfectly in my kitchen, and I sell them on my Etsy. So I'm going to skip the 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. On the 4th, I'm going to make 2 double crochet, yarn over, pull it 1, pull it 2. On the same, I'm going to make another double crochet, pull 1, pull 2. Okay, so this is how we started, and then we're going to skip 2 chain, and on the 3rd we're going to do a single crochet, and we're going to make 2 double crochets on the same chain, and that gives that texture. This stitch is called so many names. It's called textured stitch, blanket stitch. I did make a tutorial on a blanket stitch, but it was different, similar to this but different, and this gives a different look as well. So this is all to it. So we're gonna skip 2, and on the 3rd we're gonna do a single crochet, and on the same we're gonna make 2 double crochet, pull it 1, pull it 2, yarn over, pull it 1, and pull it 2. So continue crocheting like this. Skip 2 on the 3rd, do a single crochet, all the way to the end and followed with a single crochet, you make a double crochet on the same chain. And I'll meet you at the end. It's really fun. So I made 3. You need to make 2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet on the same chain. Okay, so I have finished the first row and this is how it looks like. So I did my single crochet, my 2 double crochet, and I'm just going to do a single crochet, skip the 2, and just make a single crochet just like this, and then pull that tightly and chain 2 and turn our work, and onto the first chain we're going to make 2 double crochets as how we started. So we're just repeating what we did. Then we're going to skip 2 chain, 1, 2. As you can see, this is the top, this is the valley, so we're going to go down to this valley, 1, 2, and then you can skip 2 and it goes here. So we do a single crochet and 2 double crochet onto the same chain, and then just like this, 1, 2, and then so there's no chain involved while we're working this stitch. I'm going to skip 2 and do 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet just like this. So it's just all to it. You skip 2, on the third you make 1 single crochet and 1, 2 double crochet. And this is how it looks like. I love the texture of it. You can make baby blankets, you can make cardigans on the edge of the cardigan. You can make scarves, you can make infinity scarves, go round and around. Or make a long scarf. You can make afghans, anything with this stitch. Swiffing. You can make those because it's texture, right? This would be lovely. This would be grabbing everything for dishcloth in your kitchen. One single crochet, 2 double crochet. Okay, so continue crocheting like this. Just to repeat what we did, but I'll show you when we come back one more time, and I will let you crochet after that, and I will show you how to do the camel stitch. I think that's what's it called. I love to do dishcloth that stitch as a border, or you can do single crochet. Either way, gives you that nice texture on the edge. I'll see you at the end. Just love the stitch. Okay, and this is how it looks like so far. Doesn't this look nice? So I did the last one, and I'm skipping the 2, and on this 2 chain, I'm just going to do a single crochet, just like this, as we did on the previous one here, when we were turning our work. And I'm going to chain 2, turn my work, and on the chain single crochet that we did, I'm going to make 2 double crochets, and I'm just going to be repeating it. This is you can crochet this while you're sleeping. It's so easy and it's so fun. And then I'm skipping 1, 2, and on the below here, the valley, I'm going to make a single crochet. And I'm going to make 2 double crochets, just like this. Okay, so continue crocheting like this. I know it's really hard to see on the variegated yarn, but I just love the texture of this. Oh my goodness. I can't even see how it looks like. This is how I started. I just love this, what was it, sprinkle something. Just love this color. It's pastel rainbow colors. And I just love the texture, how it feels like. So continue crocheting and I'll meet you as soon as I finish this yarn. I ended up using 1.5 for this because there's less yarn when you compare it to the solid colors for some reason. Like this is 50 gram. This one only had 42 gram. Okay, so continue crocheting and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so I have crocheted. I need to go and buy another extra ball of this yarn because it did not turn to be a square. So just to show you, it uses up lots of yarn compared to other stitches. See, I just need more. Anyways, I will show you how to do the edging. You can leave it like this, as you can see. Even this is pretty good, but I always like to do edging on my finished items. So instead of going this way, I'm going to go back and go like this. I'm sure I did do a tutorial. When I was doing a tutorial, I did show you how to do it, but this is how you do it. It gives you this nice curly, knotty, not a curl, knot look. And you just pull it like this, and then you go to the next chain. Instead of like it's doing like it's just making a single crochet, but you're going it the wrong way. And it gives you this nice edge. And this is all to it. These cotton yarns do split a lot. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you how to do the textured or the blanket stitch. And I love crocheting this. It just keeps on going. And this is how it looks like so far. Just love it. I love the texture. Yeah, share it with your family and friends, and happy crocheting!